Alright, I was asked to help analyze the function f of x equals 6 minus 4x plus x squared. And the first thing I'm going to do is rearrange the function. I just feel more comfortable when it's written in a more standard format. That's using the commutative property. Now, the first thing I need to do to analyze is get a sense of what should happen. So in my mind, I picture a quadratic function crosses above the x-axis and originally starts going down and eventually opens back up again. So the one that goes down and comes back up again is a parabola that looks like this. So when I do my work, I should expect my vertex to be on the right hand side of the y-axis, and probably, although I'm not sure of this, might have a vertex in the fourth quadrant. Maybe the vertex will be in the first quadrant. I'm not sure, but that's what the analysis will bear out. So let's see what happens. First things first, I'm going to find the y-intercept. That's f of 0, and I can see clearly that when x is 0, we get 0 squared minus 4 times 0 plus 6, so we get 0, 6. So I write down the coordinates of the y-intercept. And then I ask myself if this is factorable. Is this factorable? Are there numbers that multiply to give me 6 that add up to negative 4? The answer is no. So I'm going to write this in vertex form. So we're going to go f of x equals x squared plus minus 4x. I'm going to kick out the 6, and I'm going to put in the number half of 4 squared is 4. So I'm going to add 4, and I'm going to take away 4. So by design, this is now factorable. If I were to factor it out, I would see x minus 2 times x minus 2, or x minus 2 squared, and then 6 minus 4 is 2. This tells me then that my vertex is going to be the vertex at 2, 2, and axis of symmetry is going to be x equals 2. This tells me then, when I look at my sketch, it's this option right here. The parabola will not reach the x-axis. So, I'm not going to find any x-intercepts, but I'm curious, what happens if I tried to find the x-intercepts? How's the algebra going to show that there are no x-intercepts? So, I'm going to find f of x equals 0 for x-intercepts. And that makes x minus 2 squared plus 2 equals 0. And that would be x minus 2 squared equals negative 2. Here's the problem. When I take the square root of both sides, I can't take the square root of negative 2. Now, this is your first introduction to this, but there is this idea that when you have the square root of a negative number, the square root of negative 1 is equal to I. I is just basically shorthand for square root of negative 1. So I could write this as I square root of 2. But basically what we can do at this exact moment is to say that means basically no real solutions. And again, that's evidenced by the fact that my graph is going to have a vertex at 2, 2 and open up. The last thing I would need to do is to produce a high quality graph. To do that, take out a ruler and right here we should expect the vertex at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, 6. The axis of symmetry at x equals 2. The vertex 0, 2, 2. Bonus point 4, 6. And that is enough information to get a high quality parabola. F of x, x squared minus 4x plus 6. Label 2, 2, 4606, and done. The other thing I would do, of course, is get the graphing calculator, put that in, but I want to keep this video short. I want to show you that. Trust me, this is the correct graph. Thanks for watching.